Morning students, now I'm going to start your second topic, which is Gibbs free energy, and it is also in state function. It is defined or it is denoted by capital G. It is a very common equation which denotes the relationship between free energy, enthalpy and entropy. G is equals to H minus T del S. Okay, and since the H and S both are state functions, so G is also a state function. Now we have to find out what will be the change in free energy when there is a initial and final state of the system. So suppose for the initial state the value of G is G1, free energy is G1, enthalpy is H1 and entropy is S1. Similarly, for final state, the value of G is G2, enthalpy is H2 and entropy is S2. So what we will do, we will find out the relationship. So for that, we will subtract the equation 1 by 2. And on subtraction, you will get this equation. Okay. And after subtracting and solving it out, you will get del G is equals to del H minus T del S. This is the very famous equation. Okay. Now, you all know from the definition of entropy that del S is equals to Q reversible by T. Okay, so what we will do, we will get the value of T del S, which will be equal to Q reversible. Again, from another famous equation, we know that the value of del H is equals to del U plus P del V. So we will substitute this and this value to that equation A. On substituting the value, you will get this equation. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to solve this bracket, and after solving it out, you will get this equation. Now, from the very famous first law of thermodynamics, you know that del U is equals to Q reversible minus W max. Okay, so again we will rearrange this equation, and after rearrangement, what we will get? We will get del U minus Q reversible is equals to W max. Okay, now you have to put this value in equation this. So after substitution, finally we are getting del G is equals to minus W max plus P del V, and again after rearrangement, this is your final equation. Okay, so the quantity P del V is the work done by the gas on expansion against the constant external pressure P. Okay, and therefore minus del G gives the maximum work obtainable from a system other than that due to change of volume. Okay, the work other than that due to change of volume is called what? Net work. Okay, now minus del G is a measure of the net work that can be obtained from a system at constant temperature and pressure. Okay, and G is called what? Gibbs function or Gibbs free energy or free energy. So this was whole about G, and one more important thing is minus del G is a measure of the decrease in free energy, okay, of the system.